Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, just about 2 o'clock in Honolulu, 7 o'clock in New York. It is Wednesday, 11th day of November, 2020, and this is the Daily Report for Gold and Silver. We saw a continuation of lower pricing that really began on Monday with that $100 drop after an announcement that two pharmaceutical companies had in fact created vaccines that have a 90% efficacy rate. That is phenomenal news. My question is, how long will it take for there to be enough supply to really immunize the country as well as the nation and the globe? We'll talk about that in our closing arguments, but first, let's take a look at pricing. Gold prices absolutely continue to drift lower. After the tremendous decline on Monday of about $100, we saw a small increase yesterday, taking it to about $18.90 intraday. The market opened where it closed yesterday, but closed just a couple of ticks lower. Currently, as I said, $1863.80, decline of 0.67%. Silver lost a little over 10 cents in trading today, closing at $24.35.5, and that is a net decline of 0.44%. What is noteworthy is the decline in silver is less than the percentage decline in gold. It's usually the other way around. Intrinsically, silver is a much more volatile metal in terms of price changes. You usually see silver outperform gold in terms of percentage gain, and the reverse when they're in a corrective mode. That is not the case currently. The U.S. dollar did have strength today, accounting for roughly half of the price decline in silver and about a third of the price decline in gold. Dollar index up 0.25% at 92.97. Lastly, I do want to take a look at Bitcoin futures. That has been moving up fiercely, up about 3.5% today, a gain of $550, and under $100 shy of $16,000 per coin, currently $15,905. To give you an idea how quickly the market did drop on Monday, we've put up a 1-hour candlestick chart. We can see that there is a total of 6 hours or 6 consecutive candles going from the high or open, which occurred at 1960, down to this low, which was below 1850. However, the major damage was caused in the first, second, third, and fourth, and these last two, although they are red candles, meaning they close below the open, you're getting lower lows, but not that much movement in terms of lower pricing. When we look at the big picture from March up to current pricing, what we can see is the damage on Monday was interesting in that it actually formed a double bottom. The first occasion came right in here, which was at the end of September, and then, of course, on Monday. And that is the first time we've seen any kind of strong double bottom. We have had series of tops forming resistance, such as this area between mid-August and mid-September. Also throughout October, we had a ceiling pretty much at 1940. Traders, there is absolutely an old rumor where you buy the rumor and sell the fact. In this case, I think they are selling the rumor and then they'll buy the fact later. What I mean by that is it is great that we have come up with a couple of viable vaccines. But the key is it's going to take a process that's 6 months or longer to do. During that time, fiscal stimulus will be absolutely necessary. And I think that if we see the government act, they will pass an enormous fiscal stimulus bill that will morph the budget deficit we had in 2020. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you as always good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.